at-home exercises to get rid of back fat. Many people don't know what back fat is or what it means, but a lot of people do have unsightly back fat. If you have back fat and have been looking for ways to get rid of it but failed, this video is for you. Having back fat affects your silhouette and overall look. The problem is it's not easy to lose once it is built up. The regular workouts you do to lose weight might not be enough. What you need are exercises that target your back directly. Thankfully, there are at-home exercises to get rid of back fat. Do these and you'll soon get the sexy back you'd love to flaunt. 1. Seated reverse flies. For this exercise, it might be helpful to have light dumbbells on hand. But if you don't have any, try finding weighty household items of equivalent weight to hold in each hand. Depending on your strength, books or detergent bottles might be enough. You'll also need a sturdy chair to sit on. Sit on a chair with your feet planted firmly on the floor. Hold your dumbbells or weights with each hand and keep your arms resting at your sides. Bend over as low as you can and keep your neck neutral so as not to strain it. Extend your arms at each side, making sure you put your upper back muscles to work. Hold the top position for 2 seconds before slowly lowering your arms back down. Repeat 10 times. Two, pull-ups. Ideally, you would have a pull-up bar at home, but any sturdy horizontal bar that you could hang from will do. Remember that this exercise can be challenging at first, so don't get frustrated if you can't perfect it right away. Take small steps and keep trying. You're sure to get the hang of it soon enough. Hold onto the bar with your palms facing out and approximately shoulder width apart. If you need to, bend your knees and cross your ankles so you're suspended from the ground. Using your arms and back muscles, lift yourself high enough so that your chin is above the bar line. Slowly lower yourself back down. Repeat 5 times. For the remaining exercises, you'll need a mat. Any yoga mat or jump mat will do. If you don't have anything similar, you can do the following on a regular living room rug, just to make it more comfortable than doing them directly on the floor. 3. Bridges. On a mat, lie on your back with your arms at your sides and palms facing down. Bend your knees and plant your feet on the mat. Push down on your heels and lift your hips off the mat. Hold the highest position for 2 seconds before lowering your hips back down. Repeat 10 times. Four, plank. On a mat, hold yourself up with your forearms and toes. Keep your feet around shoulder width apart. Keep your body as straight as you can, making sure that your hips don't droop, nor are raised towards the ceiling. Hold your plank for 30 seconds before letting go to rest. 5. Back extensions. On a mat, lie on your belly with your legs together and toes pointed out. Raise your arms at your sides and hold your hands up behind your ears. Slowly lift your upper body off the mat while keeping your head and neck aligned. Repeat 10 times. 6. Superman. On a mat, lie on your belly with your legs around shoulder width apart and your arms extended above your head. Simultaneously raise your arms and legs off the mat while harnessing power from your back and hamstrings. Hold the peak position for 2 seconds. Release the hold and rest for another 2 seconds before repeating the exercise. Repeat 15 times. These at-home exercises to get rid of back fat won't be easy, but if you persevere and do them regularly, you'll quickly work your way towards having a back you'd want to show off. The best part is that these exercises also help give you a more confident posture, as well as a healthier spine. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.